Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make roll gravy. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need the flavorful pan drippings from your roasted meat, about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of cold water. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste. This simple combination forms the foundation for a truly delicious and comforting gravy, perfect for any meal. We'll transform these basic items into a rich, smooth sauce. Now, let's create the essential roux, the thickening agent for your gravy. First, ensure you have about 2 tablespoons of fat from your pan drippings in a saucepan. Heat this over medium heat until it's shimmering. Then, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the flour to cook and form a smooth paste. This step is crucial for a lump-free and flavorful gravy. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in 1 cup of cold water or broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. The cold liquid helps create a smooth consistency. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring frequently. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the gravy thickens. Patience here ensures a perfectly smooth and rich sauce. Finally, let's perfect the flavor and prepare for serving. Taste your gravy and adjust seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, you might add a pinch of dried thyme or sage. If you prefer an exceptionally smooth gravy, strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Serve your warm, homemade roll gravy generously over your favorite biscuits, mashed potatoes, or roasted meats. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.